Hi and welcome back to Low Carb Cocktails. We're going to continue on with some more winter holiday cocktails that's just going to be yummy and keto friendly. So that's the best part of them. So what we're doing now is what I think every Santa wants. So all you Santas out there, Mrs. Santa, Mr. Santa, wink wink, when Santa's putting out all the toys for the good little girls and boys, it's you might need something to keep you going. And this is gonna be a spiked hot chocolate. I know if I was Santa, I would like something more than just milk. So I think, like a really nice hot chocolate would be kind of cool. And even so, if it was a Santa kind of grown up hot chocolate. So enough of all that, let's get started with this recipe. So it's something to mix it in because I'm not sure, I didn't measure it out beforehand, is how much is gonna fit in my mug. In my naughty mug, my nice mug, I don't know. Ask my wife, it's definitely not the nice side, so we're going with naughty, I guess, I don't know. So in here, we're gonna be adding, I guess I've pre-measured, 1 tablespoon of Hershey's dark chocolate cocoa mix. The special dark hot chocolate mix. We're gonna go with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I am using RX Sugar. And then a pinch of salt. I'm gonna do 1 cup of apparently scalding hot almond milk. Definitely got at least a 1st degree burn from that one. And we're gonna mix this up. Basically, it's just hot cocoa. Follow directions on Hershey's website for a single serve. Replacing the milk with almond milk. The almond milk is gonna have 1 net carb per cup. The Hershey's special dark chocolate is gonna have 3 carbs per tablespoon. So 4 carbs, that's it. So from here, we're not done yet. Oh, and some vodka. And use a really good vodka. Craft vodkas are usually the best to go with because they usually have a little bit of flavor left in them because most craft distilleries don't over distill things to take the flavor out. This is JT Melick. It's a rice vodka made here in Louisiana, right outside of Lafayette. I'm gonna add 2 healthy ounces of that. This has a nice little sweetness to it. It's kind of why I went with this one. Mix that all together. And since technically this one's gonna be heading to Mrs. Claus in a second, she liked hers with a little bit of 0 sugar peppermint mocha coffee mix, which on here, 2 grams of carbs per tablespoon. We're just gonna splash, it's gonna be less than a tablespoon. I'm doing about a teaspoon, not much. Just enough to get some of that peppermint and mocha flavor in, well, specifically the peppermint. Pretty damn good. Put that into your mug. That fits perfect. And I just found this today. Ready Whip makes a 0 sugar canned whipped cream. And that is 0 net carbs. And we're gonna go ahead and doll that up. Spray that everywhere because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It's falling, it's falling. Oh no, 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 no. I don't know. Filling right here so don't fall. Is that how it works? Hey, good enough. And for garnish, I'm gonna dust that with a little bit extra cocoa powder right on top. This is gonna end up all up in my mustache. Man, that's, Mrs. Claus is gonna love that one. Personally, I'm not a fan of the special dark chocolate. She is, so this is kind of for her. Just check your nutritional information on your cocoa mix. They're not high in carbs to begin with, most of them. You can even find some sugar-free ones. For the difference, usually it's like 1 or 2 carbs. It's not that big of a difference. This one here is gonna have, I think we figured out, 3 grams of carbs plus a splash of this, so maybe 4. Maybe 4 grams of carbs with a splash of the coffee creamer in it. You can leave the coffee creamer out. You're just as good as 4 carbs with that one. And don't forget, leave this out for Santa with some keto cookies or something keto. Maybe I don't know, broccoli? I don't know. This might go good with broccoli. Or some cauliflower. I don't know. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day because Mrs. Claus is gonna have a great day once I bring this to her. See y'all later.